sto live proprio per Facebook, dove stanno in sintonia con noi smontardi. Ma hai un'invitazione da di Filomena? Filomena College Mavo. Is een youth queen Mayang, no? Staan bij me dat doen we zaken. We hebben conversando con King Shavanon. Boy. Je gaat niet zo'n drieën. Ga niet zo'n drieën. Pak ik nog bij je kan hier, man. First of all, let me introduce you. Bontari.
Montari.
King Shavon in the building.
Yes, Montari, Aruba, Bontari, Tourende, Montari.
En die komen nog bij participatie in die hier, man. Huh? Tell me, what?
Oi!
Huh? Tell me why you didn't go with the song.
I'm actually curious. You like the song?
I love the song, boy.
Alright.
It got something of BMW. Got something, a little bit of everything going on. So the old school thing. Yeah. This year, the people change about the identity and they know how it is. We have to go back to the old school.
Old school is always the best.
Always. So King Shavon, el momento para grabar Black Boy.
Yeah, exacto.
King Shavon vandaag.
King Shavon, original singer. King Shavon.
Okay, dus we about die King Shavon.
King Shavon.
Contame die big truck.
Big truck, idea, my idea, my pensa man, whoa, we on the road.
Yeah.
So you know what I'm saying? A big truck on the road, so everybody gonna follow the big truck. You understand?
Yeah.
You follow the mass gotta be behind the big truck. Understand? But that thing, the horn to blow, pom. Blow the horn, pom. Make way for the big truck where we come, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But why you didn't go to participate with the song, boy?
Well, I go tell exact. Listen, I had this song long time, but I never really brought this song out. So I said, you know, this song, you know, I feel like it's a good song, so let me bring it out this year. Let me go on the radio with it.
Well, there's a good song, boy.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Watch out with the big truck, huh?
Oh.
Hung the horn. So, King Shavon on, by the way, badal carnaval tambe. Otro año, zeker may otro año con King Shavon bij de stage?
Of course. Sigur.
On.
Without doubt.
All right.
Without doubt, we're going in.
Oh, Shavo. There's gonna be a small truck now?
No,
because
big truck. It gotta be a big truck, you know. A big Mack truck. Make way for the big truck.
Nice. Bagrabe sagi na Claudio Jr., right?
Exacto.
Junto con sagi Claudio Jr. no. Sto pone tu pine con ese body Claudio, pero mi conosce body vice versa.
Exactly.
I mean, boting Daddy Bass time.
Daddy Bass time, see.
By the way, bon song, boy. Bon song, bon tune.
Tune self.
Tune, boy.
This is a jam back. Even if you don't want to dance, it gonna make you dance.
Yeah,
look at sweet.
Listen to the horn. Hey, boy, a good tune, boy. For real. Hey, vas a escuchar aquí. Escucha. Ven aquí. 10 minutes ago. Hey, why you didn't go participate, boy? Boy! King Shavon, what were you thinking, boy?
I don't know. You tell me.
Why you didn't even, hey, 101, you know, I got this song. What do you think? Go participate, don't participate. Why you didn't go?
See, I just gonna give you a taste this year.
What taste? But this is it, my friend.
This is it.
Roman, en serio, no te pasó por aquí dan. Pero esta tunabo un fresh air about the old school and giving the people what they want. Hey, Roman, escuche pide aquí, va. Vamos. Escuche pide aquí. Ik zei que Leander die King Shavon te proeven. Sério. Ik zei que no, Roman, boy. Telling you, boy. Why you didn't go participate with the song?
I don't know.
Ainda minuto como de wow. É bom, é um tremendo song, boy. Como ainda me que tem parada aqui? ¿Cuánto tiempo tiene que llegar aquí, Black Boy?
Tiene que ahora como
3 años?
3 anos, 4 anos.
Sim, não?
É.
Você diz que você sabe que você vai, mas você seguro ainda.
Exato.
But this song, boy.
This song, it's still good.
It's still good? What you mean? Still good? Still don't know why you didn't participate, boy. Ah, pero outro ano botou vai tour.
Tour.
Que me diga algo, diga o mesmo style assim que
mesmo style, me quero de old school, jump back.
Boy, pero no que horn see.
The truck, boy, when the horn blowing, that means you gotta move, you gotta come out the way because the big truck coming.
So for sure next year you on.
For sure next year I'm on.
All right, nice.
Man.
Awo de caso que basically big truck. Kiko tota ideia, kiko doen nou ideia van inspiratie.
Ideia eigenlijk dat wat dat ku amit dat hij de mika base. It's like, you know, everybody jamming behind a big truck. And when the big truck is coming, if you got everybody, the big truck is coming with the mass in the back, and everybody got to come out the way because the truck is coming. That's why we blowing the horn. Blow your horn, pump, pump. Blow your horn, pump, pump. Everybody got to move because the big truck coming. Make way for the big truck, you know what I mean?
Yeah. But nice tune, boy.
And then we say, jump behind the truck. Jump up behind the truck.
Yeah.
Jump behind the truck. Jump up. Pepe. You know what I mean?
Hey Roman, kung chicken di aquí, Roman. Black boy. Awo kita King Shavon. Blow your horns. Blow your horns. Pop. Blow your horns. Pop. Blow your horns. Yeah. Awo de caso aqui, papiano de spesa aqui carnaval. Que conosco verwacht coming up? What
What
can we expect?
You can expect because you know, I like my urban, so I'm going to release 2 videos. One with me and Danny.
Okay.
And one with me myself.
Okay. Danny, the beach boy.
Yeah.
Yeah, my brother, my
Whitey man,
boy.
Yeah.
How he doing?
He doing good.
Yeah.
He's waiting. He want to release this video. I tell him, hold on, you know, carnival season.
It's a like a reggae version, something like that.
Like dancehall.
Dancehall.
Yeah.
No, we ain't joking this year.
We joking this year.
But it's gonna be King Shavon, right?
King Shavon.
No Blacker Boy.
No Blacker Boy.
Okay. I agree with you. I told you many times. You know. Every time you come in, I tell you, I give you advices. So you know it is. But it's a tune, boy, for real. Tune without no jokes. I ain't joking. You know what I'm telling you? I ain't joking because it's a tune, boy. I feel it, boy. And you start good. You start good, but you start late. I don't know. But King Shavon, keep it up.
Thanks.
Good tune. I told you. Hey, bong kan kita bong paasa pa ba tinggal isyong reina. Was kuchi ko. Bom mesa. Tapi sa amin ginawa naman, sa lupi mo siya din sintonia. Ayan ang Palm Beach. Dushi kantika, tas si Mikora man yung BMW. Same tabizo. Saludo. Hey, saludo pa Melanie dame. Melanie Gumbayo. Dushi Fiber. No, nabibisa ko na ito, man. Boy, can you imagine this one at Carnival Village? What could be so?
Make way for the big truck.
Make way for the big truck.
Let the truck pass. When they coming down the road, let the truck pass. Police come
Yeah.
the master in the back, the police got open road.
BMW. No. But for real, man. Hey, bongantika. Bosa ko mita hopi real ko mita bisabo tame. King Shavon ta unye guy nangu once ket yung kantika, to bisa I got this song. What do you think about this song? Anto mita donele I mita gusa biseta ame ko mita gosele. So you're a guy, man. You got your identity. You do your thing what you love, and you keep on doing what you do. And you have passion for it, and you keep moving and you keep moving forward. That's good, boy. Yeah. That's why King Shavon is King Shavon, boy.
King Shavon is King Shavon.
And now you're coming with 2 songs. Yeah. You have 2 videos already, but you're gonna start.
We're busy with him. We're working on it.
So at the end of March, we're gonna have it.
Of course.
Yeah.
At least one.
At least one.
And this song is gonna be on YouTube soon. We're working on it.
All right. This song?
It's gonna be on YouTube. Big Truck. That's the
big truck. But you got.
Shavon, Big Truck.
But you gotta put it with
Oh, is there a big truck in it?
Yeah.
No problem. We can make it happen.
Yeah.
Everything's possible.
Just talk to we can talk to Daddy Bass because he listen right now.
Yeah.
We got Randolph.
Daddy Bass, big up yourself. You don't know. Up.
Randolph Barry is listening.
Yeah, man. Daddy, big up yourself. You don't know. Big truck.
You can record it. You can record it with him. And it's good thing, you know. And put some of the people just enjoying Carnival. You invite some of the school groups.
Yeah.
And you into it, boy.
Yeah, man.
What do you mean? You're gonna make this thing big, boy?
Big tune, big truck.
Yeah, big truck, man.
Yeah, man.
So, kiko the title of the next song, Dibo. Is sungguh being put di Carnival.
I got this song with
Donnie.
E baila di doggy.
E baila di doggy.
Oh, you laugh? Oh, e baila di doggy. You don't know. It was spice of the thing.
What did you say? What?
When the man coming over,
Hey, Shavon.
That was the baila di doggy.
and we join it on any big truck clean anymore.
Shavon, siete Shavon. Shona, lo voy a escuchar otra vez y culo de Shavon, ¿no?
Make way for the big truck, 'cause it's coming down the road.
Porque ven campamento de baile de dog.
Make way for the big truck, 'cause it's coming down the road.
Boy, once again, congrats, for real. Without joking at all.
Thank you.
Good song, good tune, boy, tune.
Big truck.
Bom candiga, pasa bisabo, but surprised me, expectation. But when you sent the song to me, I was like, okay, but I hear some more voices, but then now I listen to your voice, say, wow, this man ain't joking, boy. This man for real singing this song, boy. That's a tune of King Shavon, but you're singing Blacker Boy. That means that's an old tune. But that's what the people want.
That's what I want, yeah.
Yeah, because most of the songs right here this year,
Right now, this
all
year.
the qualifying songs is like mostly the old school, the old time we call road march. All the things people we want to say, like, yeah, soca, it's a soca, but we know the word, the name of the participation is road march.
This is the jam self, jam
yeah,
back.
jam back.
This
So
is jam back.
you telling me that, but that this is a tune, boy. Tune. Once again, congrats.
Thank you very much.
Anto non sto guardando llega con i baili di doggy. E se vai un TikTok sicuro? Se vai un TikTok. Cuidado Donald Trump scucciamo che. E tu mi dici, I don't understand the baili di doggy. No, but that's it for a joke. You hear me? A baile di doggy.
Kan ik dat in baila, of course, no?
No,
the doggy, man.
Pero potete sempre non di piano,
Sì,
one time.
sì.
One time.
Good.
Allora dell'equipaggio King Shavon. Shavon, tu stai andando buscando per link no up kubo Facebook, Instagram, un'anda hai apri che numero?
Shavon Music. Instagram Shavon Music, Facebook Shavon Music, YouTube Shavon Music, TikTok Shavon Music.
Shavon Music.
Shavon Music.
Make sure you clear out
Allora dell'equipaggio. A mi losse ma perché tre pezzi culo in fiamme. Scucce.
any class.
Hoppi buon